Williams away very well with the third outsider. Edwards is ahead of Campbell. The other way around at the moment. Campbell now coming through there to take on Edwards maybe. It is indeed Campbell on the line. I think Lauren Williams running the race of the season.
Well, what a race that was. Welcome back to Eye On Sports. Now, she set the track alight from the junior level all the way through to the senior level. She is an 8-time Olympic medalist and 11-time World Championship medalist. The 36-year-old Veronica Campbell-Brown, the joint 10th fastest woman of all time in the 100 meters at 10.76 seconds and 11th of all time over 200 meters with 21.74. VCB, affectionately called, joins us on Eye On Sports for an extensive chat. VCB, welcome to Eye On Sports.
Thank you for having me.
I know this is not your first time, right? But if it is, we have some treats for you, you know. Producer should have told you. It's your lucky day.
Yes, I think so. Well.
All right, Veronica, you know, we haven't seen much of you lately, let's say since 2018 really and truly. So what have you been up to?
Well, actually, I started my 2017 season and it was going quite well. And in June of 27, after running 10.8, 2 days later, I was training and felt discomfort in my knee. So I went to get it analyzed and I was told that I have a patella tendonitis, which was quite weird because I never had knee issue before. Right. So the rest of my 2017 season was altered. So I just continued to rehab and take care of the knee, and it was better in time to resume training for the 2018 season, which I did. And in January of 2018, I began to felt discomfort in one of my Achilles tendon, and that had been a battle throughout most of the 2018 season. Right. And I reached a point where I got a break, and we decided to compete. I ran one race. I wasn't pleased with it because I felt like things weren't where it's supposed to be. So we have decided to take the rest of 2018 season off and just do light training and just try to recover and recoup. So that's where I'm at right now.
It's been a long career for you, you know, 36. What is the secret for you, to, you know, in terms of to keep going? Because it's not all the splendor and the lights and the medals. We know behind the scenes comes the disappointments, the injuries, and so on. So what keeps VCB going?
Absolutely. Being an athlete is have its ups and downs, but I am grateful for the gift God has given me, and from day one my objective was always to do my best at all times, try to maximize my potential, and I've been having a great career. It has been great. So I'm used to highs and lows, so I'm know how to bounce back from the disappointments. But what keeps me going is the passion I have for the sport. It is my comfort place. When I'm in training, all the stress of life is gone. Right. So it's just something that I enjoy.
The track and field is like a getaway for you.
Well, it's when you're working out, right, it's like all your troubles are gone. You cannot right. focus on nothing but training and getting quality efforts in. So it has been my life. That's all that is one of the things I do mostly throughout all of my life from junior days. I run track, I live track, I breathe track. Right. And so that has been the things that keep me going over the years, the desire to maximize my God-given potential.
Yeah. Speaking of years, the next 3 years will be very active. We have the 2019 World Championships, the Tokyo 2020, and even 2021 World Championships. Do we see you going for all three once fit and ready?
Well, I'm not sure. Once fit and ready, right. Those are the key words. So I will have to wait and see how things are going and then make a decision what I want to do. So that's why right now I'm taking it easy, trying to recoup, get my body recovered, and then we will analyze things and see if I need to continue.
But as you look to analyze, what would be your major target over the next 3 years? Is it the World Championships in 2019? Is it another Olympics in 2020 Tokyo?
Well, it's kind of too early for me to decide because I'm a person who normally take it step by step, and so I'm not looking so far ahead right now. I'm looking at rest and recovery, and then the next step would be to decide, am I going to move towards the 2019 World Championship? And that's how I normally look at things. So I keep the long-term goals in the back of my head, while thinking about them, and I work toward the short-term goals and then see where they lead me.
But you're not ruling out 2020, though?
You never know. You never know what life have to offer. So I just have to just wait and see how things unfold, because you never know. Because like my 2018 season, I started and I was expecting to have a good season, and then I reached a bump in the road. 2017, the same thing. So you never know. So at this point, I'm just working with what my body is saying, and then make a decision and based on that. Because if I'm not able to be 100% healthy and train at a certain level, it is difficult to achieve what I want. I am an overachiever, so to speak, and whenever I go on the track to do well. And my body have to be on the same page with me in order for me to do what I want to do. So I have to wait and see how things unfold, and then I'll make a decision based on that.